Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes how to disable incognito mode of Chrome in Windows 10. Type regedit in Windows search bar. Right-click Run as administrator. Click Yes to continue. Click and expand HKey local machine. Click and expand software. Click and expand policies. Create new key named as Google. Create another sub-new key named as Chrome. Right-click New D-word 32-bit value. Type incognito mode availability. I, M and R capital letters. Change value data to 1. Click OK and exit registry editor. Incognito mode is disabled successfully. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.